Hey, so this video I will do for my student André in Luxembourg, and we're going to learn this pattern for today. We're gonna start with, I'm gonna use both English and French names of the notes. We're gonna start with F, below middle C, which is Fa, then C, middle C, which is Do, and the fingers are left hand 4, 1. So those are the first two notes. And keep holding it and have a pedal, a lot of pedal. The right hand will go D, G, which is Re, Sol, with fingers 1, 2. Sorry, it will only go D, so Re. So it's going to be Fa, Do, Re, or F, C, D. So the first three notes are F, C, D. And the fingers are 4, 1 left hand and 1 right hand. And then as you're holding the pedal and holding the left hand as long as you can, you go again, Fa, Do, which is F, C, repeat that. But this time right hand will press 2 on a G, which is Sol. So first time it's gonna go F, C, D, and then the second time F, C, G. And in French it's gonna be Fa, Do, Re, Fa, Do, Sol. So the third note is with the right hand. And then do this all one more time. So twice we did it. So we're going to, after we did F, C, D, F, C, G, and again F, C, D, F, C, G, we're gonna do one more half of that, which is F, C, D, Fa, Do, Re, and then Fa. So all together. So that's it. So that's the first set. So F, C, D, F, C, G, F, C, D, F, C, G, F, C, D, F. So it's like 2.5, and we finish with one more F, which is Fa. And then we do the same thing, everything, but the left hand, instead of F at the bottom, is going to be G at the bottom with finger 3, obviously, like, you know, after comes this one. So I did everything the same, Sol, Do, Re, Sol, Do, Sol, Sol, Do, Re, Sol, Do, Sol, or in English, G, C, D, G, C, G, G, C, D, G, C, G, G, C, D, G. So 2.5, the same pattern, everything, only the bottom note on the left is different. So let's put it all together, first with F. And then we're gonna do the same with a La. So with A, instead of the bottom note moves up to A with finger 2. And then back to Sol, which is G. And that's it. And then you keep looping it. So I'm gonna say it in French quickly. Fa, Do, Re, Fa, Do, Sol, Fa, Do, Re, Fa, Do, Sol, Fa, Do, Re, Fa, Sol, Do, Re, Sol, Do, Sol, Sol, Do, Re, Sol, Do, Sol, Sol, Do, Re, Sol, La, Do, Re, Sol, La, Do, Sol, La, Do, Re, La, Do, Sol, La, Do, Re, La, Sol, Do, Re, Sol, Do, Sol, Sol, Do, Re, Sol, Do, Sol, Sol, Do, Re, Sol. And then once you master that, you just loop it. Play gently and change the pedal every time you have a new bass note. And now when you get this, I want you to add with fingers 4, 5 in the right hand, B, C sometimes, you know. Let me see if I can put the phone a little lower like this. So it's going to be 4, 5. So you're going to go, after you get to the G on the bottom, sorry, after you get to the G, C, D, G, C, G, G, C, D, G, C, D. So instead of the last D, like the last Re before the Sol comes, you just press B, which is C, and then when you hit the A or La, then you hit this pinky with the Do. So it comes on the pre-last note of a pattern. the B or the C in French, and the C or the Do in French comes on the first note, the bottom note of a pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 7 you press B and hold it while you're doing 8 in the left hand. So instead of the D or the Re, you're gonna press B here, and then you go La, and with the Do. So see, I'm doing it on 7 and 1. 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so you have 8 notes in each pattern, like the Fa pattern, the Sol, and the La pattern. So instead of the 7th note Re, you can just press B, which is C, and then wait for the bottom note to come, number 8, and then when you go to the next bass note, you press Do. And now I'm gonna just show a little bit with the song so you can have an idea where this is coming from. Never heard of it, never seen it, but when I saw it, I knew it. True love. Okay, Andrea, I hope you enjoyed it. And the keys, I mentioned all of the names. I pretty much did the same pattern throughout the whole song. So have a great practice and enjoy it.